Hi, it's Rebecca from CrucialVacuum.com. Today we're going to change the Ridgid vacuum bag. Replace it with our Crucial Vacuum Branded Ridgid VF3501 bag, which is made to fit in the Ridgid WD4070 4-gallon portable vacuum. Remember, before we begin, unplug your unit prior to replacing any parts. To remove your bag, first you will undo both levers. Remove the top lid. Take the old bag out by sliding it away from the hose. Take your Crucial Vacuum Branded Ridgid bag, which comes in a package of 5, with a curved part in the cardboard facing up. Attach the cardboard onto the hose, making sure to bring the cardboard all the way to the orange plastic. That's it. Remember, with CrucialVacuum.com, it is always free shipping and it costs so much less. Then replace your lid, making sure that the bag fits around the filter. Snap your levers closed. That's it, you're ready to vacuum. Don't forget to visit us at CrucialVacuum.com for all of your vacuum replacements and household parts. Thanks for watching.